Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a La Mama Care box. This one is specifically for new moms. You know, in that fourth trimester after the baby is born, and you need a little mama care as well, because let's face it, if you've ever been a new mom, life's a little crazy at that point, especially with your first kid. You need to take care of yourself, and it's hard to even know how to do that when you have a tiny little human being that you're trying to take care of. So anyway, I thought this would be an interesting box to review. So they did send this to me, and I'm excited to see what's inside. Also, I have a friend who's about to have a baby, and I think this might be a good gift for her, you know, after she delivers, or even at her baby shower, which I'm going to in a couple of weeks. Let's actually see what's in this box. Okay, so, we have this little booklet. This is actually really nicely put together. La Mama Care, even superheroes need support. The Superhero's Guide to Postpartum Care. Repeat after us. I am doing my best and I am a badass. Now go out there and conquer this thing we call parenting, you amazing superhero. Okay, so this booklet kind of takes you through the things in here. Let me just kind of show you. Okay, so we've got Nourish, dried fruits and seeds. I'm guessing that's what this is. La Mama Care Postpartum Mix. Oh, this looks good with a lot of looks like cranberries and pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds or pumpkin kernels are a great source of magnesium. Dried apricots for potassium, and dried cranberries, your urinary tract system will thank you. Educate, the Superhero's Guide to Postpartum Care. This booklet contains important information. Okay, hydrate. Okay, that's gotta be this. Among the many changes that happen after baby, you may notice that your skin doesn't have the same dewy radiance it did throughout pregnancy. While your body is sorting out the delicate balance of postpartum hormones, it is essential to do what you can to keep yourself hydrated. This is a great one. I actually have a very similar one, but it doesn't have the cute little La Mama Care thing on the bottom. This is great. Let's see, a lavender lip balm, comfort, cozy wrap. It's gotta be this. Ooh, what is this? Oh wow, this is beautiful. I love these types of things, especially this time of year, you know, and I don't really want a jacket, but this is nice. This is a gorgeous color and it's super soft. I love this. I'm so happy with this right now. Let's see, also for comfort, notebook and pen. Okay, oh, a cute little La Mama Care pen. Just a little click top, ballpoint, and then let's see, where's the notebook? Oh yeah, just a cute little pocket notebook with blank pages. Experts have shown that getting your thoughts onto paper helps lessen worry and anxiety. While we can't guarantee this notebook will fix it all, it provides the perfect place to journal and or write down must-remember items. It's definitely nice to have something like this. This is really great. You know, just keep it on your side table or in your purse, whatever. Protect breast pads. Oh, you guys, I could not live without these. I'm telling you, breast pads are a must-have when you first have your baby. Even if you're not nursing, you will get milk and you will have some spillage. So those are a must-have, absolutely. And let's see, soap and water wipes. Oh, okay, soap and water handsies wipes. Ah, handy little wipes made with Castile soap and essential oils. Naturally derived ingredients, biodegradable towelette, always fresh. Nice. Oh, these are great. Stories and advice from moms. This is fantastic. What a wonderful box. This is just such an amazing and thoughtful, well put together box. I'm really impressed with this. This is awesome, and I'm in love with this little pashmina scarf thingy. So anyway, what a fantastic box. Okay, well, thank you to La Mama Care for sending this out to me so that I can share it with you guys. And thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!